This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg ghotala. Heat a tablespoon of oil and sauté onions until soft, then add ginger, garlic, and green chili. Stir in turmeric, coriander, and chili powder, then add tomatoes and cook until saucy. Add beaten eggs and gently scramble until just set, finishing with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for brightness and balance. Gather simple, fresh ingredients to keep flavors bright and authentic. Use 4 eggs beaten smoothly with a little salt for even texture. Chop 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, and 1 green chili finely to release flavor quickly. Keep spices measured and fresh, using turmeric, ground coriander, red chili, and a pinch of garam masala for warmth. Finish with chopped cilantro and a fresh lemon squeeze to lift the dish. Control heat and timing for the best texture in egg ghotala. Cook onions until translucent to develop sweetness, then add spices briefly to bloom their aroma. Simmer tomatoes until oil separates to deepen flavor before adding eggs. Pour beaten eggs in slowly and stir gently, removing from heat when slightly underdone so residual warmth finishes them. Finish with cilantro and lemon to brighten and balance the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.